Okay. As you people know, as on RuneScape, you can turn into animals like, well, snowmen and animals, but a turkey is. So, uh, whatever. Yeah. So I'm gonna try and make Levi turn into an animal. Don't know which one, but hope it works. Okay, go over there. Go over there. No, for real, go over there. I need to do my. Wait, where's my wand? So, I need to get my wand. Sorry. This is such a fail video. Okay. Do your emote. Do your emote. The turning to an animal one. Come on. Hmm. Eh. Eh. Where did he go? Oh crap. Levi, is that you?
Yeah.
Why are you a cat?
Pretty awesome, huh?
No. You're in a basket.
Oh yeah, come with the emote.
Oh. Okay. Okay. So, do you want to change back into your normal form now?
No.
Why?
I like being a cat.
Come on, that's just creeping me out. Stop it. Hurry up.
I can't. I can only do an emote once every hour.
What? So you're telling me I gotta wait a whole hour?
Yeah.
You eats. You're eats, man. That's it. This video's gone. If you're not gonna turn back into human, this video's ended. Hurry up.
I can't.
Oh, that's it. Nah, that's the end of your video. Ah, I thought you said you couldn't. Wait. I thought you said you couldn't turn back into human form, you liar. You're a fail,
That
man.
was the cat for Pete.
What do you mean? You were the cat.
I had too much catnip.
Catnip.
Yeah.
You weren't even eating.
I ate it before I came to the room.
But you were right in the room and then you turned into a cat.
Oh. Yeah.
Oh well. This has been our video of the real RuneScape emotion turn into an animal person. So, okay, goodbye. Wee wee wee, wee wee wee, wee 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 wee.